How to publish an episode in Podcastle. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Log into your account or use your Google account to sign in. From your Podcastle home screen, click on My Shows. From the list of shows, select the one you want to publish an episode for. Click on Add Episode. Alternatively, you can also click on Publish Your Episode directly from a project. Now let's add the necessary episode details. If you have already pre-recorded your episode, you can upload the file by clicking on the Upload button. You'll have the option to provide a title, description, and any other relevant information. Uploading the episode's cover art is an important part of podcasting. You can choose to upload a specific cover art for this episode, or simply use your show's cover art. Remember, a visually appealing cover art can attract more listeners. It's time to add more information about your episode. You can include details like episode info, category tags, and other publishing details. Decide whether you want to schedule a publishing time or publish the episode immediately. This flexibility allows you to choose when your episode goes live. Once you have entered all the necessary details and made your publishing preferences, click on Finish.